Unlock the world of online selling and easily transform your passion into profit by launching your very own eBay store. Today, we're diving deep into setting up your eBay store from scratch. Even if you've never sold a thing online before, first, let's grab your eBay username. This is your initial identity. So give it some thought why you're something memorable and relevant to what you plan to sell. If you already have an eBay account, you can use that username. If not, you'll create one during this process. Next, it's time to choose your eBay store subscription. Think of this as your business's foundation. eBay offers different levels, each with its own fees and benefits, like more listings per month or reduced selling fees for beginners. Starting with a basic package is a smart move. You can always upgrade later. As your business grows, you'll find clear comparisons on eBay's website to help you decide. Now for the fun part, designing your storefront. This is your virtual shop window. First, choose a compelling store name. Make it catchy and reflective of your brand. Then, think about your logo. A simple, clear logo will make your store look professional and easily recognizable. eBay makes it easy to customize your store's appearance. You can add a banner image that captures your brand's essence, choose colors that match your logo, and even organize your listings into categories. Think about showcasing your best-selling items or creating themed sections. A well-designed store instills trust and encourages shoppers to browse. Once your store is set up, the next step is listing your first item. Take clear, high-quality photos from multiple angles, write descriptive titles, and include all the necessary details. This is crucial for attracting buyers. With your store launched and your first item listed, you're officially on your way to becoming an eBay seller. Starting an eBay store doesn't have to be complicated. By following these simple steps, you're well on your way to building a successful online business. Happy selling!